Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see what we find.
Second floor.
Okay. I don't like it. I need to know the.
That's okay. Alright. So.
You're a family man too, right?
Oh, I try to be.
Oh.
It's hard to be when you're not home with them, right? It's okay.
You're young?
Young?
Your kids are young?
13 and 7.
13 and 7.
Yeah.
What grade 13?
Grade 8. High school next year.
Oh, my daughter.
Yeah?
Mm. One is in grade 8. Other was in grade 6. Last year in school.
Yeah, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See how no water's coming out now?
Yeah, because I didn't open the water.
Watch.
Oh.
Ready?
What was in there? All this stuff.
Straws, food.
The kids.
See?
Yeah. That's it all. Oh my goodness. Careful.
Rice.
It's fixed now?
It's gonna be.
Oh,
Since I put everything back together.
yeah. So 1 hour? How much time from here?
Probably an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. How much time?
Well, I'm just past Hamilton.
Oh, you got it.
Yes. Oh, I gotta test it still though.
Oh.
Do you have a stopper for this?
What is that?
Like a plug?
Oh, plug. Is this one?
No, it's okay. I'll use paper towel.
Oh, yeah.
I want to do. That's all right.
Yeah.
It's okay. No.
Oh.
I want it running.
Oh.
What do you think? You think it's good now?
I guess so.
You guess so?
Yeah.
I think so. Let's see. That's a good sound, eh?
Yeah, it's going now.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Before it was not good.
No.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, thank you so much.
See what I mean? 10 minutes.
So you don't need job, right?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay, keep this on for about 20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You gonna be awake?
Yeah.
Okay, leave it on for about 20 minutes.
So I'm going to clean the thing?
Get rid of this water.
Yeah, the
Make sure you don't pour it down the toilet because there's stuff in there that... Okay, try to strain off the water. Maybe use this to get rid of the water down here. And then all the solid stuff you can throw in the garbage.
Okay, no problem.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Rosario.
Rosario.
Yeah.
Jason, nice meeting you.
Jason. Oh, that's
All right.
a nice name.
Thank you. Are you happy? Yeah?
Happy you came by your time for me. You can always there.
It's okay. Don't worry about that. Are you happy that I did the job?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. That means I did my job. All right?
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good night, all right?
You too. Take care.
Thank you. Bye now. It's okay. I'm going to get you to grab the door if you don't
Yeah, I
mind.
will do that for you. And good night for you.
You as well. Thank you.
Take care.
All right. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye now. All right, guys. Another happy customer. So just some food and build up in the P-trap. We cleared it all out. Everything's running good now. Till next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogman.